Welcome everyone to another M3 Outdoors video. We have tons of fish in this video, tons of walleye, quite a few catfish. We got a sauger, we got a type of bass, we got all kinds of stuff and a lot of surprises. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Keep up in the action and let's go! Let's go!
So you didn't see any carp over there?
There's a little bait fish up there now.
Walleye and muskie, yeah. See if we can get anything today. They were hitting yesterday real good. Right up along here. Walleye. Nice. We got about 3 catfish and 2 walleye last night. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no! Get back here. Touchdown. Yeah, it's a walleye. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Went right back in the water. That's a nice size too. Not bad. Very, very nice fin pattern. Well, man, you put up a fight. There you go, buddy. Awesome. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, we got one right now. Holy smokes, that's bigger than mine. You need a net. It's about the same size. What?
Oh yeah, that's a new iPhone feature to share contact information.
Oh, I saw that, yeah. But I thought you were about to share it like that.
Yeah.
I think you have to hold it in front. What the frick? What the frick? What is that? What? What? Hey, it's here. What the? What the? Get this away from me. Something's wrong with it. You broke iOS 17. Another walleye. I told you. I told you. I told you the bears still roam the streets. That's why we're not getting hits. We're probably snagged. My gosh, was that a big hit? That felt like a muskie. That was not a walleye. It's a walleye. Let's go. This isn't near what I had before though. Not even close.
It's a nice size though. Look at him.
Not even near what I had. All right, buddy, I'm letting you in. Oh. Number 2, let's go. Whose rod is it? Yours. You see it?
Yeah. Right here.
Nice. About time.
Yeah, right? Got it?
I think so.
You got it. Nice.
All right.
Well, that's a nice one. All right, got a nice little channel cat here. Nice green color. All right, see you, bud. Thanks for the fight. See ya.
All right, we got 3 fish today.
There we go.
Let's go.
Finally on the board.
Caught someone's line. We're gonna see what's at the end. Oh, dude. Dude. Sick. Oh, man. We'll put it right here, just for now. I catch the coolest things out of this river.
Giant swimbait.
Yeah.
Let's see.
That's going in the Hall of Fame. Oh my gosh. Or do you got, hold on a sec.
Do I have a fish or do we have each other?
I don't know.
I got a fish.
All right, one of us has something.
I got a fish.
Do you?
Yes. I feel it pulling.
Okay, because I already got a snag.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, he's a nice one. Whoa, you got my line now. Hold up, hold up. Oh, it's a disaster.
It's all right, he's right here. I see him.
Is he?
Yeah, I see him. There we go.
All right, I need a second set of hands. There we go. 22 inches.
Nice, I think that's my biggest.
All right, throw him in.
He's a feisty one, dude. Look at him. Big one. All right, bud. Go out and get bigger. He's out of here.
Wow, already.
What? It's a bass of some sort. It's either a white bass or a that's a... Come on, stop. That's a white bass.
Yeah, nice.
Sweet, that's a big one.
Alrighty.
Nice.
Let's get him in. Like good old white bass.
Gone.
Holy smokes. Let's go.
Right before I caught that white bass, there was a fish right up on this rock. It was either that fish I just caught or like a little carp or a sucker. Wow, I thought it's a decent size, but I thought it was way bigger than it is. Walleye. It's the biggest one we've caught here in a while. And he almost just went back in. Dude, look at the size of it. Let's get back over there. I already got him unhooked. Big old walleye. He's about, I'd say he's about 17 inches.
He's a feisty little one. Nice.
All right.
See ya.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, gone.
Oh, dude! He pulled me. It actually pulled me. Dude, look. He's a big one. It might be. Yeah. Get ready. Holy smokes! Oh!
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Started going running laps around them. Yeah, that's way bigger than the last one. Look at that.
Big one.
Nice. 19 and a half.
19 and a half, dang.
Wow, that's the biggest one yet today. No, my biggest is 26 and a half.
Holy
All right, let's
smokes.
send it back.
Man. Man. Let's go.
See if we're releasing them back to the water.
Oh, look. There's a bluegill. Oh, I thought I could catch him. All right, buddy. There he goes.
I saw it as soon as I saw your rod going weird. Is it? Big ol' walleye. Yeah, he's a decent one.
Like, my first walleye in a while.
Yeah. Let's go. Go ahead and do what you need to do. I gotta get stuff out of the way.
Very nice walleye.
Let's get a little panorama of the guy.
Thanks, bud. Go back and get bigger, okay?
He out.
He's home.
He gold.
There we go.
Yeah, I can get him in myself. Oh no, it's a sauger. Yeah, it's the first one on the bit. Hey, you ever seen a sauger before? It's just like a walleye, but it's got prettier colors.
Do they have sharp teeth too?
Yeah, they're in the same family.
That's sick.
They're beautiful.
That's a nice one.
It's like
You
camo.
catch that many on
Yeah, well, sharp teeth just like the walleye.
That's sick.
Usually this is what we catch more than the walleye, but as of lately the walleye are just unreal. Yeah.
Jacob.
Brogan! Yo! What is up? I can't believe it, my cousin's here. Well, this one's dedicated to you.
All right. Is that it? Oh my God. You're here just in time. Logan brought me luck.
Here you go, throw it back.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. We told you we got a lot of fish, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, comment what you think, and subscribe for more videos. We got a lot more coming up here. See you next time.